morning from Delhi. Right now I am just quite opposite to India Gate, and today right till Varanasi. So 850 kilometers from Delhi. Hopefully I should do well. Yeah, see you guys onto the roads. So yeah, we are done with the photos and India Gate, and there is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Sophie, Amrut Bhaiya.
All the best.
Thank you very much. We are all set to leave. We means me and Sophie. So checking out from India Gate. So on to the roads of Delhi. And I just started, and it's hell damn cold in Delhi. Oh, the climate seemed to be pleasant, but it's so cold. Let's see how far I can reach. So this will be the fastest kilometers which I will be doing today. Hope for the best. Hope nothing goes wrong. And so yeah, see you guys on Yamuna Expressway. Entering into Yamuna Expressway. I think this is one hell of an experience. Wow. It's such a great feeling. It's a lane for two-wheelers, and I have got another biker who is riding his Harley. Agra. ₹205 for the toll. End of Yamuna Expressway. Thank you very much for the ride, and it was like such a beautiful stretch it was. This is what I was waiting for, and it's 136, 137, 136, 137. It's such a treat to ride. Whoa! Yeah, we are done now.
Good evening, people. So I just reached Kolkata, still on the highway. So I'm taking this left. Okay, Kolkata is still 13 kilometers from here, but I'm quite happy that I made it till Kolkata and it's 4 o'clock. Touching down. Welcome to the city of joy, Kolkata. हे भगवान, बस हम तो पधार लिए आपके लिए एकदम. Like just 2 days ago, I just started from Delhi. I stopped in Varanasi and it was one bad day, like an unforgettable day, like total shit. It is not at all worth, and the people and the locals, I cannot say everyone, but those who created all the mess, फट के हाथ में आ गई थी literally. I literally cried. क्या करता, अकेला था. जब मैंने तो सोचा भाई ये तो हमें नंगा करके ही छोड़ेंगे, पूरी लूट बात सब सारी चीज़ें होगी, बट नहीं. चलो अच्छी बात है that I escaped due to God's grace and one government vehicle with some professional people. Thanks to them. And I wasn't carrying my camera on my helmet. I didn't put it on my helmet just because it is not safe. तो बस वही एक गलती कर दी मैंने. काश रिकॉर्ड हो जाता, बट क्या करें.
Good morning from Kolkata. So right now, me and Sophie are here near Victoria Memorial. Good evening from
This will be my last stretch from Kolkata, so I will be returning back to my city right from here. Now I need to find a route. Maps. Okay, then. Okay, fine.
Head west on Wilson Road South, second lane toward the Schaefer and Sasmo Road, then turn left onto the Schaefer and Sasmo Road.
Okay, yesterday was one bad day. I and one of my friend had a small crash on the tram track in Calcutta. That is right here. And it was so bad. The clutch lever got a small bend. So we are done. Google Auntie is saying I need to take the straight route. Possible, I'll do that. There is the Hooghly Bridge. Entering into Hooghly Bridge. Okay. So damn amazing. Wow. Just look at the view. It is the Hooghly Bridge. Ooh. It's so nice. So nice. Hooghly Bridge. Now I am just exiting Kolkata city. दीजिए, बस हो गया. मेरे को स्लिप चाहिए. It's 518.64 like 6.93 liters of petrol. कहाँ पे करना है? and I'm in the outskirts of Vizag city. Early in the morning, I started at around 6:30, and it was a long journey, like almost 900 kilometers, and I'm still riding after almost 12 days. Wow, it was an amazing journey. Finally onto the beach road. Wow, the view, like it is so amazing. Finally in my city. Hey, hi. బాగున్నాను చెప్పాలి. This guy just came to see me again. I'm really very happy to have him with me. Wow, it's so amazing. Actually, to the place where I started off the journey. It all started there. So this is where I started, man. I just did it. So finally, this is where I am, and it is Sophie. So it's Love Vizag. Thanks to him. Like, these guys supported me a lot.
At last, I reached Vizag after a bang. Started in the morning from Kolkata, almost 900 plus kilometers. They just came to see me, and here is Sophie. Just look at the view. It is so amazing. They are signing off. Quadrilateral Super Highway expedition is done. Like 5,849 kilometers. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you.